Welcome to Jackalyze, where analysis meets instinct. Before diving into charts and strategies, let's start with the core of every successful trader: knowing yourself. Trading isn't one size fits all. Some traders love fast-paced setups. Others thrive with long-term plays. Understanding your personality helps you pick the right trading style, manage risk without anxiety, and make better decisions. After all, patience of a jackal, precision of a trader. At Jackalyze, we use the MBTI framework to help you understand your trading instincts. MBTI breaks personality into 4 dimensions, leading to 16 different types. While it's not a perfect science, it's a powerful tool for self-awareness. It shows how you process info, handle pressure, and react to market chaos. In this video, we're exploring 6 trader archetypes, based on MBTI insights and real-world trading styles. These 6 are not the only possibilities, but they represent some of the most common patterns we see in active traders. They're not rigid categories. Think of them as helpful mirrors, to reflect how you might naturally trade. ENFJ, the swing trader. ENFJs are inspiring leaders. They love connecting ideas from multiple sources and waiting patiently for the right moment. Swing trading matches their natural rhythm, balanced, thoughtful, and strategic. ISTJ, the intraday logistician. ISTJs value order and clarity. They feel at home in structured markets with detailed plans. Intraday setups work best: nothing too fast, nothing too slow. Just data, logic, and control. INTP, the systematic innovator. INTPs are theory builders. They want to understand why markets move. They often build their own indicators, test them to death, and automate what works. ESFJ, the social connector. ESFJs value relationships and harmony. They're drawn to social trading, signal groups, or mentorship environments where trust matters more than speed. INTJ, the macro architect. INTJs are master planners. They spot big picture trends and don't get distracted by noise. Position trading suits their long-term, independent mindset. ESTP, the scalper entrepreneur. ESTPs are natural risk takers. They thrive in action-packed environments. Scalping suits them: quick decisions, micro-trends, and constant motion. Curious about your trader type? Visit 16personalities.com and take the free MBTI test. Once you know your 4-letter type, compare it with the 6 archetypes we covered here. It's a great starting point, and you can always explore all 16 types in more depth later. Your trading strategy should match your nature, not fight it. At Jackalyze, we help you trade with clarity, discipline, and self-awareness. Subscribe for weekly insights, smart analysis, and trader-focused tools. Patience of a jackal, precision of a trader.